Alright, so I'm having issues with this 4080E trans plug on the side to where I can't fit this on. So quick, easy fix. What you're gonna do is take all the pins, all the bolts out your pins. This has like the Moser style pin, and so to drop your pin. Be careful for all your trans fluids. Ooh. There we go. And be careful for all electrical that's down here as well. And this is a mustard transmission. As much as you spend, you shouldn't have to do this, but all them goodies underneath it, they look cute. But here is your plug here, and you see the little clips right there? Them little black clips. All you have to do is just press it back in. Be sure not to destroy your gasket, because they will break. There we go. So you see it's starting to come out now. Push it all the way in. Clip. Make sure it clicks all the way before you put the pin back on. Just go ahead and clip this right now. See, it's going back in. So let me do this with 2 minutes. Hold on. I have it in there now. Just make sure you be careful. Once you have this in there, it's not going to go back in because the harness is going to stop it from going back in. You have to literally push these 2 sides, pull it off, and then it might go back in. But be careful when installing your plug here. Make sure you're putting it on the right way. I'm not going to tell you how to do that. Just make sure you're putting it on the right way. On this one, most harnesses have a little plug right there. You see that little arrow? It'll tell you how to install it, but if your harness doesn't, then you have to just figure it out. And let me see. As you can see right here, this is the harness right here. It's no longer moving, it's no longer popping out. Sorry about the shakiness, there's no space underneath there. I will be using this, look at all that pink fluid. Oh, it's so clean, you can see the reflection. Exclusive. After you install your trans pin, check all your levels, make sure there's no leak, and happy driving.